Hello Tobias, very nice to see also new members. Hello Rick, uh, I see that Sunny gave once again the date. It's 10th of September, no problem. And which year? 2020. September is month number 9. Yes. Sorry, I wasn't sure. uh, and it was the 10th, yeah, Thursday. Good. How many of us are here? 12. Yeah, I can slowly start to make the first view on the charts, the most boring part, and then we can start. How was your week, guys? Very bad, very good. For me was not so perfect, as you've seen. Maybe some of you already watched the summary of the day from yesterday. I wasn't so happy about my trades yesterday. They were based on my greed. Unfortunately, I shouldn't do this. But very slow week, bad price action, a lot of equal highs and lows. Vixen, it was in green. Yeah, I hope, because you took almost every same trade as me. Very nice. Who is Forex Trader? Forex Trader, is that you, Randy, or someone else? Just want to know who is with us. Randy, very good. Hello. Starting balance. Let's do as last time, the 5,000. This doesn't matter, honestly, but as some smaller account. Pip size, I'm not changing anything here. Just 1 to the 500. Fixed slot, no, fixed spread as the lowest one, and 30 last days. Everything is set? Probably yes. Okay. And we have 12 guys in Zoom, 12 with me, so 11 joined from 15. Not bad. I'm happy to see you guys here. Yeah, I really feel way better than last time. I was so stressed today. I already knew all of you, so very good. I'm talking too much. Sorry, guys. Risk 1%. And what now? We should load some charts. So you see everything clearly, yes? Because I'm not sure how the Zoom is sharing the screen. You should see the black background and the small chart selection now, the window. Do you see this also, or just the black screen? Both, very good. Yeah, because the Zoom, it's very funny, and not everything before, months ago, not everything was shared, especially the small push-up windows in some programs. Okay, thank you Krasnik and Vixen for confirmation. So yeah, I want to see 1 minute, maybe 5 minutes. The M15 for imbalances, maybe M30 for key levels, but I not use so often now the key levels. So let's go to 1 hour to see some bigger zones. These are my four favorite time frames now. Why are you not using the key levels? Because I see very often now the imbalances on M15, and yeah, the key levels is something controversial. Very honestly, I don't trust so much key levels, because I like to see the imbalance or big order, and by the tick volume we cannot be so precise to draw correctly. It is working, it is very nice, especially for looking for TP, but with tick volume this is not so accurate. So I like to, I'm more focused to look for imbalances on M15. This is the zone, so this is bigger range to see the reaction of price. Yes, with cluster delta, yes, I use the point of control tool to mark some stronger zones, and if these are matching with the market profile tool as a strong zones, is even better. What I'm doing now, I forgot. Ah yeah, I'm choosing the time frames. Sorry. Yeah, Ken Young, I forgot totally. I need to ask. There's new member in our community. He is the great programmer. He's doing also his own EA, the trading EAs. I think he can contact you with you, Ken Young, about the simulator by using the real volume. This would be very nice. I totally forgot about this, but we have very good IT guy, and I think that he can really use your ideas and implement this. I need to talk with him. I will do this honestly later. Yes, Vixen. Kenyon just a few days ago sent me the message that this is really possible to make to adapt this real volume to the backtester. And we have two good guys. Yes, Kenyon as an idea guy, and we have new member from maybe from last week who have skills with this. So I hope that we can make something. Okay, template. What I'm doing? Simulator. Damn, I am not multitasking guy. And I need to say sorry because my kid is today in home, and yesterday we were cutting grass in whole garden, and today he think that he is the machine. I'm not sure how is this word in English. The machine who is cutting the grass. Yes, he is whole day doing brrr. So if this will be too loud, I'm so sorry. Yeah, he's just 2.5 years old, and it was very big adventure for him yesterday, and today he's always doing just he opening his eyes and doing brrr. I hope that this will be not recorded as voices. Even now he's doing this. So just let me know if it will be too loud. Okay, we don't hear anything. Very good. I hear. This is enough. Right. Oh, we have very dropping market here. This is the 1 hour. Very dropping market. Just need to move forward to the London at best, and we can see what they want to do, the big guys. Next bar 1 hour, yes, everything is correctly set. Boom, we are here. Very nice. Let's check the news. If something is here upcoming in 3 hours, almost 4 hours, very high in euro. I'm not sure if this can make any impact on our British pound. You don't like, especially Germany, the politics from in the UK. Maybe this monetary policy statement can make small impact, but I'm not so focused on the fundamentals. I am typical analytic guy. Okay, so nothing beautiful here. The first idea I have when I see the price like here is that we reach already the supply zone, like this one. Very small rejection. Maybe here were equal highs on lower time frame, but definitely after this pin bar this should be taken. I would be honestly looking more for a sells now if price don't want to make a rally. So this zone is understood. Yes, you would also found here something like supply, I hope. Damn, and I load not enough data to see. I have the previous month. We are really on the low. Oh, it could be also high time frame liquidity grab to make a high. So I'm not touching anything. Of course, I'm just drawing the zones. Here, the push up was very strong. You can see that all those weeks match to each other. So here's no any imbalance on this time frame. So this is the only thing I would draw now. maybe this, and maybe not like this line, but yeah, or even a bit higher. What I'm doing now, this is the I'm looking for a support which was broken. This is just the idea, because I'm not sure if price want to make a rally. If price will start to going higher and out of the zone, for example, this will mean that this move here was liquidity grab on 1 hour. So I'm just drawing just in case the support level. So I had only these two things on this time frame. I'm copying this, so let's go lower if there is anything interesting. Yeah, looks very crazy. Here could be some imbalance. Yeah, I'm drawing also this one. So I have now supply on 1 hour and imbalance on M15. So this is all I need. Holy crap. Right. Here looks like, yes, this is the support, and looks like here's made the demand zone on M15. Yes, the kind of, in my opinion, stronger zones, because this broke some important area. So this really can be liquidity grab. So I'm leaving this green line, could be useful while trading. Going down to M5 just to have better view. Yeah. Could be beginning of bullish market, but on lower time frame I'm still with the idea to look for SLs. Because if I would draw here something like this as a resistance, we are already below. Yes, here not so beautiful clean, but I see here the equal highs. The verse try to take the liquidity, but price was still sitting below the zone. And the second side, I don't like when price is sitting below supply, because this can be a beginning of the break of the zone. So I'm not sure now what to expect. Something appeared on chat. Ken Young, similar price action as yesterday. Yes, this is repeatable moves, guys. Really, after a time, you should all see, if not all, sorry, a lot of you should see more and often that this is all repeatable. But I am not now ready to take any transaction. It's just the opening of session. And Vixen, you said that you would only look for sells in such downtrend. Yeah, I'm already focused on this. This is nice range for now. 60 pips, yes, a lot. This move was very sharp. So right, we can go to the, I just want to copy this small box. Yeah, so I'm already set up. Crazy. Right, M1. So is anyone who would just join the market right now, or any ideas what to wait for? I'm just marking something here, but I'm not probably price will not go so far. We are already below the resistance. I would click next candle. Yeah, very good idea. So I'm doing this. Good advice. Yeah. And we are already out of the zone. Ooh la la. Very high volume appeared. A lot of small players joined the market. I'm not touching this. Not yet. Because too many bearish candles. This is very sharp. As we know, the market is unpredictable. In every single moment, someone can put once again buy order. I'm not feel this right now. Just to join exactly. Yeah, and this is the doji with high volume. Most of time, this is the rejection sign. So, and we are not so far already from the supply. I'm waiting. Very, very strong moves. What a perfection and precision. As price just touched this supply. Interesting, but I don't see even any possible entry. Here the small demand was broken by a very tiny candle. And now the volume is still going up. It means how many retail traders are trying to sell. This is the very big chances that big guys see this also and want to earn something on the early sellers. Or maybe just I'm wrong and I can miss the nice sell. If this will be, of course, sell. And you can see how price is nicely going up. Yes, even more traders are joining the market because this up move, in my opinion, in my interpretation, can make the panic on market, because maybe some retailers know that this is probably the important area, the supply, and by pushing the price up by big guys, there are many of these guys maybe putting more orders, yes, as multiple positions, or the others were waiting for a better price to sell. This is beautiful. Yes, on a bearish movement, price is going up and volume, the tick volume also. Beautiful play. What is going on now? Hard, yes, even higher. Once again above the resistance. Yes, I also want to look for this, because I am focused now on this volume, how beautifully this is going up when price started to go out of the zone. So this is, for me, this bullish movement is a panic on market. I'm also still focused on the sells. I just want to draw the baseline. As here. Here's also something important. They push the price up for a sell. So here could be the potential reversal. Already touched this. Damn. Yeah, I'm leaving this line as here. No, they didn't touch this. So let's see where price want to go. This is the patience game. We are just 18 minutes on London session. Ooh la la. Stronger candles. Yeah, so we have equal highs and equal lows. I would not touch the market right now because something is going to happen. Maybe is here anyone brave and would join the market now? Yes, because I'm clicking next because I'm waiting. Maybe your idea are different. I want to see also your opinion. So I'm trying not to forget to ask you about something sometimes. Oh. How many guys are here? 15. Very nice. So almost whole group of those who confirmed the presence. You mean Ken Young, this small zone here? For me, this is now very, very dangerous to make any decision because I'm below resistance, above the lower edge of supply. Honestly, everything can still happen. I like this imbalance here and also my green line as he was the last strong push to the upside. Yes, to get a better price for a true sell. I can maybe do this bit lower or like this. Oh, no, this is already taken. I want to see price really somewhere here because this push was very nice and price in here missed this imbalance. This is of course the 1 minute imbalance, not so important, but would be nice to see filling this as a confirmation. Ah, here you mean this one? This move? Yes, okay, I understood what you mean. I was looking for the OB like here, order block, but this is, yeah, he was the equal highs with strong push to the up to make a fresh lower low. Price, okay, maybe closed the last buy positions, but for some reason is ranging now. They don't want to make a move, the final move right now. On M5, yeah, could be. But really, I like to see the instant movements when the big guys are ranging the price. They are doing this for some reason. There can be still one more shot, one more manipulation. Because if this will be so beautiful, the price should go directly down to make a new lower low. Here is ranging for a few minutes. So something is coming. I would be not really surprised if they want to grab and fill this imbalance here. Let's see. Barcode pattern. Ooh la la. I will check this out. How perfectly price is rejecting from this one. Still equal highs and lows. Yes. Barcode. How they're playing now. Strange. Looks like very shy break of structure. This price is sitting below the supply on the edge. It's already the round number. Oh, crazy. I'm not feeling confidence to join now. Once again, the volume is going up, so probably retails are now putting their stop losses above and joining the market. So look guys, the price is ranging. This is really possible to make the panic as this movement here to take the stop losses. Price just went out of the zone. If I would be the trader from 2 years ago with very small knowledge, basic, I would enter this the market now. Yes, we went deep in the zone, went back, This could be retest of resistance or the zone. Maybe I would enter here. But now, when price is out of the zone, I would put my stop loss here. Yes, above the last weeks. I used to do this, and I would be not surprised, because a lot of time I was kicked out, that my stop loss would be here. Look guys how they are waiting. The big guys are so long waiting that as many as possible retail traders can join the market now. Wow, the price is still not falling or going up. First powerful move. Very nice to see. Crazy small wicks. So this is panic for me. Yeah, this is panic. Volume is going up, very close maybe to someone's stop loss. I'm waiting. I'm not sure where to join. This is the range. Yes, price still didn't break the structure in any side. Damn, this is long Zoom session, half hour, and there's no trade for now. Interesting. Yes, price is once again below the zone, but some invisible power make this weak, so buyers push the price back. So we are still on this equal. The price now made the equal lows. You can see guys, this is the same price level. Maybe I missed the trade. Let's see this. I'm very patient guy, and I'm not joining the market if I'm not sure. This is for me important now. This price level. Those two candles are very similar. I can say that they are same. So this is like on M3. Maybe this would be the the rejection candle. So still, these are for me valid equal lows. Oh, something big is going to happen because price is not doing obvious moves. For me, all ranges are always kind of invitation to take a trade. So if price is out of the zone, here made the range, here is ranging. This is for me grabbing the liquidity, and something big can happen. Well, I'm not joining the market. Is anyone here right now who would enter the sell? Yes, price is just shiny going down. Maybe this is the lower low. Here could be the support. Not clean view for me. I know myself from a year or 2 years ago. I would join the market probably even here. Yes, when price broke the small structure and started to go out of the zone. And let's say that my stop loss is now here. Let's move this faster. And once again, this I call panic when the tick volume is going up, because price is going on the opposite direction to the obvious one. The obvious one is down because of supply. Look how it looks on the higher time frame. Very good invitation to take a sell. And when price is going up, probably more sellers are joining the market. So for me, they're grabbing liquidity now to have as many as possible traders in this sell position. For me, this is early sell, and I don't trust what I see now. You can see that every move to the upside, the volume is going up. Boom. Crazy. This is what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for a liquidity grabs. And look guys, old me would be now out of the trade. Crazy. Beautiful. Perfect manipulation. Yes, so we are waiting with patience. Let's see if this small liquidity pool wants to be filled with good signs of rejection. Maybe even the highs want to be taken. Oh, crazy. Very good that we didn't take the sell too early. So please remember guys, all the time when price is doing the range, they are accumulating their power. Yes, like they're pumping the balloon, and this cannot be endless process. So all stop losses are taken now. Yes, this is looking like start to look like something, as you said, Vixen. I think that for now this looks like break of structure. Yes, these guys which were kicked out of the sell because they were manipulated, maybe now are thinking, maybe this is the buy. Yes, I was kicked out from the sell, let's look for a buy. And they forgot that this is the supply zone, or they didn't see this. They drew the trend line and they found the bearish movements. I'm not sure, yes, but old me, when I was losing the trade, I still tried to find another opportunity. This looks like break of structure, yes, the bullish movement. So this can be a longer price action in this supply. I think that really now the retailers are buying, and they will also be kicked out. Yeah, I'm waiting with patience to this zone or to the green line. Yes, these are my only two price levels of interest to look for my sell. Price is now once again ranging, inviting the buyers. Yes, this could be the liquidity grab from equal lows. Looks perfectly. So that's why I mixed two ways of trading, two schools of trading: the supply and demand traders and the smart money concept traders. These two together is a very powerful tool. Let's move forward. Don't be shy, go up. So once again range, yes, equal highs here and equal lows. No trade now, no setup. They are inviting the buyers because of break of the structure, because of probably bullish trend line. Probably yes. This is sitting on the broken resistance now. So resistance changed to the support, and the blind guys would join the market probably now. Price is sitting more time to invite more traders. Every single minute price is still sitting. Crazy beautiful. These guys are really smart, which are sitting on the big desks with millions in their accounts, as some of course Instagram gurus. They have same bank accounts. Beautiful, yes, rejection candles, and let's go up. Let's invite more. Yes, that's it. Invite more buyers in supply. Boom. Price by a week touched our imbalance pool. This is what I was waiting for. But what is important, I mentioned this yesterday, liquidity grab is better to see not as a week on 1 minute time frame, but as a body. I want to see more action. Yes, this is just a week. So now I'm going with my plan, and I'm waiting for a good liquidity grab with lower low. Ah, very nice. This is confirmation for buyers, guys. They already lost on sells. They changed their mind. They want to make revenge trade. They are buying, and this one candle is something what confirmed them that are in the good direction. So what they probably did, they have now the stop losses here. Oh, like this. So this can be also taken. Is anyone who's also looking for sells, or someone could find here the buy? Good, very good to see. Yeah, equal highs once again. Never ending story. There's really something big can come if price is doing so many invitations. At first for sellers, then for buyers. And this is the perfection also. Yes, price is now sitting on this broken equal highs. I love this game. This is of course the patience game. It's not often that I need to wait over 2 hours for a setup. It was in the last webinar, and this time we already finished we are after 3 trades, and now price is doing magic. Okay, this is now for me another one equal highs. Price is somehow sitting here. Oh damn. Next bar. And once again, yes, if they are on buying, price is going down and the volume started to grow up. This is panic, yes. Even more buyers probably are here joining the market, or the already early buyers are putting another positions to make a maybe better price to earn more money. This is how I was doing also really at the beginning of my journey. When price is almost already on my stop loss, I was moving stop loss below, even lower, or putting more positions. When I was in big drawdown, maybe from here will be rejection, one more position. It is really old me, and I think that this is the reason why now the volume is going up, because there's interesting level price for retail traders. So lesson from today, really be careful when you see ranges. This means they are doing this as an invitation. So don't join the market on invitation phase. Oh yeah, another break of structure, guys. Isn't this perfect to join the market? Even with our strategy, but without understanding, this kind of broke the structure, was sitting at the 50% line. But this is supply, yes. Safer to look with patience only for sell position. I hope that this is that you feel this also, this idea, or how is this word, that you understand this point of view. That not always the 50% of break of structure is our entry point. We need to know where we are on market. Let's see the M15. Yes, this could be really invitation to take a buy. Even small demand can be because of this push to the upside. I'm not sure what they see, the retails, but I didn't forget me from the past. Okay, so I want to see now the closest one to be taken. as a liquidity grab. It's very boring price action now. Very good, Sunny, that you found some that you chose the day, which is not so obvious to trade, to take a trades. Oh yeah, something interesting is already happening. These highs are taken. Price made a demand. This move with the last strong push up, I call this compression. We have small tiny compression with liquidity grab for include highs and big supply. This can be now invitation for me to take a sell, because even more buyers probably join the market. But I see here the compression, not so with big zigzag, but this is the shiny movement to the up with strong push to the upside, and the price made demand. Small 1 minute demand. If this will be broken, I am looking for a sell position. I don't want to wait endless. Very good. So this is also nice price action. Look at these volumes. Someone could maybe with this strategy, if somewhere found this, could measure this candle, because this broke the structure as well. It broke this resistance. Price, look guys how perfectly sat on the 50%. So without any logic and confirmations, this is crazy to take a position, yes, to make a buy. But I don't believe that this can be so beautiful. So this strategy is working only with understanding. So even if someone copied my style from the previous group, he stopped doing this because he didn't understand the idea. And boom, yes, this is the end. This is the end of the trade in next minute. And now is what is happening. Volume is going down. Could be very aggressive to join the market now, because still the demand is not broken. But longer time on demand, bigger chances to break the structure. So let's see. It's happening, yes, as I could expect. I'm not predicting the market, of course. I'm not joining right now or something like this, but I saw this really a lot of times. Even probably on the last webinar, I said that if price is sitting too long and somewhere, there's the high chances to break it. Is still anyone here? Very quiet. Even more people than when we started. If you don't understand something right now, please guys tell me. We are here to learn. I don't want to make any confusions. So I'm waiting for a sell. And price still didn't make a lower low. But for me, this is the creation of my sell setup. Almost all criteria are here. Yes, liquidity grab. Next range, more buyers are joining the market because of demand. Maybe I'm not sure. Yes, but I still see only here the big manipulation, and they waiting for me. No, just kidding. They waiting for really more volatility, and let's see. Great, price broke the demand zone. Now I want to see some good reaction. Here's a lot of ranging candles, so I'm not sure what to measure is to join the market. Oh, Marcus wrote something. I would have been invited. I always forget the power of the supply in the high time frame. Okay, Marcus, good to know. I'll take a note about this when we will talk. Yeah, the high time frame is important. Yes, some of us in community is trading only 1 minute. I'm also doing this, but I always have my main zones drawn at the beginning of the day, and then I'm mostly not switching the time frames during the day, when I'm waiting for a setup. But this looks like obvious invitation for a buy. Yes, this price action here, break of structure, cool. Yes, lower volume on the 50, but we are still on supply below baseline, and it's safer to look for a sell. And once again, price is going down after obvious buy, and volume is going up. The tick real retail volume, they are in panic. Sorry guys, I need to take a drink. My coffee is now cold. Crazy. Okay. I think that we will take only today one trade because of longer awaiting time. But this shows this perfect, sunny, perfect, really perfect date you found. This is great. How the market is making traps. Not even our strategy is not obvious all the time. It is good to wait. This one looks sexy and interesting. Lower volume candle closed on the 50 of the one which caused the break. But for me, this whole move is interesting because this whole I'm not sure what to draw, where to put the markups. Yes, here was a rejection pin bar, but then appeared bearish candle. If I'm not sure where to draw anything, better not to overthinking, and let's go forward. Roberto, would be okay to measure this whole last movement? Yes, it would be. I was thinking about this. We can check also the M5, how it looks like. This big indecision candle. Not sure, but yeah, we can see the volume on the not volume. This is a tick volume. I'm still forgetting this. We can see the price behavior on the 50. You would wait, Vixen? Yes, I'm still also waiting. Nothing clear. I need to be more than sure. Yes, to risk my money. This looks interesting. We are back on this small fresh made supply. We are also on the 50. Let's check how 4 pips is a lot. Here also, damn, I'm not sure this is very shiny taken, not by a week, but honestly I was more focused on this movement. These were bigger range, because here these weeks, these 3 candles are like this is not so clean, but this is very similar to the last webinar when candles were doing indecision and then push to the up. So for me, this push to the up was the liquidity grab, but failed somehow, and price was once again inviting here as a resistance. So this area was for me the fresh one, and it's already taken here. Price made lower low, so I'm looking for a sell, but for me now the stop loss is too big. I want to see better price action. I'm just don't feel invited yet. Damn. Once again, range. Ranges are very, very dangerous. And strong push to the up from nowhere. Still not for me, yes. Very good, Ken Young. I just read your message, then click next bar, and it's going up. Yes, if the sell will happen, I will hold this forever, because this price action is is really inviting, still inviting the buyers. Even here once again, break of structure. Only if price will be somewhere here, I will be looking for a buys, because it will be too deep on the supply, above the baseline. But look guys, there's another break of structure. Oh yes, this one little tiny candle is very interesting. So I'm deleting this one, less mess. Remember that still we have here the somewhere here potentially the stop losses from early buyers. Here also, as they join the market, put the stop loss below the wicks. We are now on the half of the last bullish movement. Sorry guys, I'm deleting the unnecessary lines. This is the average. Some smart money concepts are telling that the average good price level to see the closure of the trapped buyers in this case is that also the 50%. So they use similar criteria as we are looking for entries, and I'm looking 50% on break of structure candle, and they use the 50% of the trapped buyers sellers candle. So this is the good average. Also we can see here there's two bearish candles really are in two parts exactly on the 50. Still not so clean of course to make any entries, but this whole price action here could be like one huge incredible big wick. This whole demand with immediately pushed to the down. So this is not any change of price level. They went up and back down close to the same price. And we are already close to the 50 to somewhere, for example, when the candles broke here. Any wicks are here. This is for me interesting. Just want to see how the price can behave here. Strong push. Nice. But I didn't expect this. I thought that the price can make another smaller range. And back again. Crazy. This is panic. Also, I'm now panicking. What if my view is still valid? But beautiful. Yes, price is going down, inviting, and then back. Crazy. Oh damn. Once again up. And wick to the upside, buyers are stopped, and the high volume. I like this, the high volume small candles with wick. They mostly are a sign of forgot the word, the sign of rejection, the change of structure. I just want to see the man, it's not so beautiful everything. Here could be potential small supply inside supply, so many touches. Then I'm not sure now, and for anything yeah, so let's move forward. Yes, if you are not sure, don't rush the market. Ooh la la. So what we have here, probably the stop losses are taken from first buyers. So what these guys are probably doing now, guys, the question for you, if they stop losses are kicked from a buy and they see strong powerful move, what they are doing? They are probably doing third trade a day, and they are joining with big emotional problems the sellers. If they are joining the sellers as a, the impulse, they are not waiting. They're oh fuck, I lost. How? And they are clicking it directly sell. I was doing this also. So they probably entered the market right now. So what the market can probably react, guys, right now. The market can make once again the panic. They jump the trade now, and price is turning back. They are once again on drawdown. This is beautiful emotional game. So do not never forget about your losses, about your behavior, how you reacted on your losses. Crazy, and they are once again kicked. And I feel that this is the moment when the last push to the upside, the buy, is now closed at break even. Yes, the small push to the upside, when the impulse appears on this rejection candle, that only sellers are right now in the market. Is anyone with me with this point of view or not so? Yes, exactly. So if there are no buyers, if probably only we are on the market, I am waiting with patience, because now I see only sellers in the market. Let's see the next candle. Good reaction. If I would connect those two candles, I will see only small body here and huge wick to the upside. Big liquidity grab. All stop losses from English sellers are taken. Bye bye, guys. So now I see only sellers in the market. So many manipulations, and now they can finally go down. Sorry, I need to take one more drink. Is anyone here who already would take any trade in this whole beginning of London, or you would also wait? You will be scared about all those ranges. Very crazy price action, really. I forgot that I was maybe trading this day. I'm not sure, but yeah, who can remember all 1 minute time frame price action from the past? Beautiful manipulations, only ranges. Oh, my kid, the garden machine is back. Now he's a dog. Crazy boy. Okay, let's go back. We are below the supply, but I don't feel good enough, yes, to take any trade, because we are still don't make any break of structure, any obvious thing. Still something can happen. I'm just not sure to join the market now. My stop loss will be here. 4 pips. Yes, 4 pips is still better than 4.3 as before. But I'm not still touching the charts. Holy crap. Maybe it could be good. But here we have, looks like small order block. Yes. This very powerful move. Any weeks on the upside and downside, there's the direct decision. Maybe some imbalances are here on the footprint chart. Because yes, when you have the candle with wick, it means that still the opposite traders were interested on the behavior. He was direct push, just a free fall. For a second, price didn't went high. Very strong push. It can maybe destroy the small demand zone here. Yes, here we could draw the zone range for a go up. Here can be demand. Okay, let's see the further price action. So price is sitting on the demand. What can this be a sign for? What do you know, guys? Do you remember something? If you are not sure, okay, I'm going forward. For me, if price is sitting on the zone, this is the big chances that they are accumulating their power to break the zone. So my view, the bearish view, is still valid. I'm just looking for a safe entry. And now I want to see some feeling of this potential imbalance on the strong push to the down. Yes, because there was instant push, any wick on the candle. Once again, price is ranging. Okay, I'm drawing here supply because now I'm almost set up to take a trade. We don't need this all stuff here. Stop losses potential. Unnecessary, of course, line. I just want to see this because I would take a stop loss here if I would be on the buyers because of the main. Yeah, this is the invitation. Yes, the big break of structure. I would also measure this candle just in case. So I have two price levels of interest. Yes, the supply or the 50. Price nicely is here now. Let's see next move. Still nothing obvious. This candle closed below this demand. I see here the signs of the as the beginning of big distribution. But what range means? Range means something will happen. Oh, nice. Directly to the supply. I don't like this, of course, because so strong delivery to supply can be the sign of breaking this. Man, this is never ending. But we are here to take one trade. And still no one left the room. Thank you guys that you are still with me. Nothing already happened. I'm just reading the price action, and I hope that this can be useful for you. How to fight with your patience. Really, all are here. The Zoom is just running. Great. Price still didn't broke our zone. So there are two zones close to each other. Yeah, here's the one supply. No, not close to each other. They are touching them themselves. Right. So we have two. So this is I call this sometimes the double shield. Maybe you heard this a few times before from me. And this is the double shield. Yes, stronger, good, strong, probably enough zone, which don't want to be broken. Okay, guys, powerful move. Oh yes, I'm already almost ready to join the market. The last demand here is already broken. So if here were any kind of very bad equal highs, no. They are not equal highs. It would be overcomplicating. This move was maybe more like break of structure. Crazy. Look, guys, how many times they tried to invite buyers. How many times? 3. Even here, 4. Okay, 5. 5 bullish break of structures. I think that they have enough liquidity now to run the incredible drop. In my opinion, could be very, very deep. We have some line here. I forgot what this line was. Here was the support before liquidity grab. So guys, if this drop will be like 70 pips, this could be over 1 to the 23 RR. This is backtesting session. I am usually not so greedy to make so big trades. I like to have 1 to the 5, 1 to the 7. But this is backtesting. Let's see if after so 5 invitations the drop can be extremely big. So if price is breaking the structure, I am doing measurements to see any kind of invitation for me. So I want to see some wicks, some calming down on the 50 area. Good. But the volume is going up. The retails don't know what's going on. They are totally brainwashed now. 5 break of structures for bulls. Even here they are on drawdown, maybe. And yeah, I'm just have big fun with reading the candles, guys. I love this. I want to really see the calm down. Hanging man with definitely lower volume. They are all, sorry for what, fucked up, and I think that we can join the market. Yes, distribution phase on M1. I see here very good invitation. Let's see one more candle. Beautiful, beautiful rejection. Everything is happening on our 50. Let's see the, oh man, 3.8. I'm getting this. I'm taking this trade right now because I feel that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 break of structures is good enough to play. Price definitely calmed down. We don't see any more higher highs. I'm ready. I am ready to join the market. What we said here, it was for very big. I don't want to so big. Yes, but correct with strategy above the measured candle. It is like exactly 4 pips stop loss. I'm risking $50. And are we greedy or not? After so big things, so let's see another time frame. Here are equal lows, and here's demand. A lot of liquidity could be here. Also in imbalance pool, broken support. What do you guys think? Are we playing? We can of course read the candles on the way, yes, and get out of the trade if something dangerous can happen. But let's risk 50 to get 850. Very crazy. I would not do this on my day trading, but this is what I want to see in case of so long manipulation. This is not for just 20 pips move or 15 pips move. If they want to drop, let's take a lot of it from this trade, from this possibility, because honestly I'm not see often so long manipulation. They were waiting for something very big. This is not possible. Yes, just to make small drop. Change mind. I was waiting whole day just for 20 pips. I don't believe this. So let's go for it. No more bullshit talk. We are on the trade. Let's go. Woo! 0.5% up. So we can see price was sitting on this demand on the potentially order block for a while, but it made the zone weaker, and we are dropping directly with no drawdown, guys. This is and buy demand. Yes, buy demand. If price will go out of the main supply, I'm going to move my stop loss. I'm leaving the room. Now look guys, just the beginning and we are almost 3% up. I'm out of the zone. Price created here the small supply on the way. Blue line out. All buyers are kicked. No retails are on the market. and it is safe to move above the zone. Even safer could be drawn like this, big indecision. So trades, and I am moving my stop loss to profits above the zone, above the supply on the way. So I'm 1-to-1, over 1-to-1, yes. I was risking 4 pips and 5 pips are now safe. $65. Good, yes. Very good. And now we can go. Boom, next bar. Over 6% up, guys. Oh, my every hair are staying. Here we have another order block. But this move is powerful. I don't believe that this small order block for buyers for the first manipulation below the big supply can hold the price. This is mostly not possible. I cannot for sure say this, but I don't believe. Yes, here was just the beginning of the manipulation patience emotional game, and price by bearish move just touch this. This will be destroyed. Buy, yeah, no, nothing, any orders. Price closed below this. Nothing is here. Yes, Kenyong, as you said at the beginning, this is very similar price action in comparison to yesterday, because these are repeatable moves. Just this game was here very long, took a while. We are now, wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, over 4 hours in London. So this is in my land, my land 1 hour before New York. This is after afternoon already. And as we expected, yes, so big manipulation, so a lot of invitation to take a buy need be for something. Let's see. Oh, this is very big candle. The buyers were pissed off about breaking of the structure here, and they pushed the price immediately up. This is dangerous. Can something happen here? Let's see where the break of structure was. It was here. Yes, so I don't want to see price above this price level, because this would be liquidity grab and price will be above the support once again. So this is for me the support. I cannot accept the prices here, yes, because I hope that you understand this view. If price will came back here to the broken zones, this will be read by me as a liquidity grab, and still the supply could be broken. Yes, but I don't trust that so powerful move is just a manipulation. They already waited for this. But to be safe, I'm moving my stop loss above this price action here. So trades, stop loss. I'm moving to be safe. Yes, I don't want to be manipulated if I was waiting so long. So above this order block. Okay. I hate dodges with on the way when I'm already on the free fall, but in other case really the fall was so long that the buyers also have something to say. Price didn't take this week. Bit calm down. Let's see. Yes, we are safe. Very good. Already 9%. But let's see how much they want to give us. Hanging man on the way. But we already broke the small supply here. But I'm still safe. Yes, this is my I could call this key level for now. This broken support. Maybe some price can just touch this. I don't know what they want to do. Oh, they had interest on this week from here, the lowest point, the lowest low before rally. So they are sitting on this level. So they're sitting on this level, I couldn't say that I'm not expecting the further movement to the upside. So what I'm waiting for to move once again my stop loss is to break the potentially new support. Yes, this is a big rejection week, and price is sitting here. This can be like maybe small liquidity grab to a rally, because so big rejection candle can mean something. Somehow price stopped here. So if price will go back again here, I am moving my stop loss. If price will be sitting here on this box, I'm closing my trade. And price is doing nothing. Great. Still not. Price is calming down. Here is kind of fresh made small supply. So we have double shield here, and yeah, I'm still holding. And now I'm moving my stop loss. I feel more safe now. I'm moving my stop loss above this weeks to save more money. Visual, and by setting here, I am how many? Quick math. Almost 1 to the 7. Yes, 1 to the 6.5 up. Very good. $330 are already in pocket if price will try to go up. Great rejections from this support, so now I treat this as a resistance. Price just kissed this by weeks. I love, guys, the precision on charts, how everything is so planned. Beautiful candle. I'm moving my stop loss once again because I'm already a long time in this trade. Not this. I just wanted to draw here the supply. Yes, here's the supply. So now I'm doing this often, and by doing above supply, it's 400. Yes, by risking the 50 only. So 1 to the 8 is already in pocket. But look, guys, so powerful move as expected. Yes, this was too much money in the air. A lot of stop losses taken. So trust all the zones always in the higher time frame. Oh God, we are already in home. Oh fuck, guys, really incredible. 17% in just one trade. I usually will not do any trade like this. Yeah, it has goosebumps. Every hair are staying on my hands. I would aim probably to this order block. But as I said, this is the last try to manipulate the guys. It was below the supply, huge supply, and it would be just waste of opportunity to not to hold this, because by entry from here to this box, yeah, it was still good. Yes, 24, 1 to the 8. But in normal trading, I would aim only for this. Only 1 to the 8 is incredible result in just one trade. It took just few minutes. But it's just the example of monster trade and of perfection. Look, guys, where price rejected. How this is the precision. Yes, I couldn't know this chart. I don't remember the charts from the last year. This is the precision, and this is happening all the time. Wow, how it looks like. Yes, maybe the price will even go deeper. Here's also some like this zone. Maybe I would be not surprised if this will really be dropping harder to this area. We can check this, yes, just by 1 hour candle. Yes, isn't this crazy, guys? This is beauty. This is beautiful. I just draw the box and price rejected from here. Amazing. So even the drop was bigger. Ken Young, I'm just playing 20 lot size. We need to ask the other teachers which are playing 100 lot 200 lot size or 77 with massive transactions at the same moment, they are maybe moving the market. I'm just tiny small fish, but I learned, I'm coded in my mind a lot of movements, and I see this everyday similarities. I just like the perfection. I was always looking why the price is rejecting from somewhere, and I just remember this. This is of course the result of dozens hours of backtesting. I know that all of you, or bigger part of you, are still working 9 to 5, but I was really close to divorce. I almost lost my kid and my wife. This was my obsession, guys, and this is not any advice to sit so much time. Yes, now I have a happy family. I'm back with them. I'm trading less, and I'm happy that I'm doing this with you guys. Beautiful that you trust me, that we are still together in this group. That group is even bigger, and you all can be this level someday. It's just a patience game. Yes, I did this in 3 years, but I was doing massive tests, and I was sitting a lot of time here. Do you have any questions, guys, about this? What already happened here? I want to see, I want to know or be sure that you see those manipulations, that this break of structures, these invitations to take a buy. But the simple thing here was that we were on the supply zone. Crazy accuracy. Wow. I love charts, guys. But really, maybe advise, make print screens of after every day and without the further candles, just to see how this is how this is same every day, no matter what time frame. Here this is the M15, and we have once again equal lows, big to the push to the downside. Price broke the failed to make the break of structure. Here also equal lows, once again liquidity grab for a fresh high, and then manipulation in here for true sell. Beautiful, just beautiful. This is happening all the time on M1, M5, 1 hour, even daily. Even on daily we can see equal lows with liquidity grabs. Then I'm talking and still 17 no one left the room. Maybe something's wrong with my app, but I still see that you are here. I'm shy now. I'm stopped trading, and the old me came back. I have red face now. Okay, guys, if you don't have any questions, you can ask anything later in the Discord chat. Let's begin the weekend. I will upload this video to the member zone for those who didn't have possibility to be with us here. And have a good weekend, guys. Have a good weekend, and see you Monday. Bye bye.